guys, and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my Halloween decor, and I hope this gives you guys some inspiration to decorate your home on a budget, because almost all the items that I have in this video are from the Dollar Tree. I just feel like because Halloween is kind of like a one-day holiday, I feel like I don't really want to spend that much money on decorations. So Dollar Tree had a lot of great finds, and I hope you guys really like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, make sure you do down below, because we're going to have lots of new videos coming. And then also, you guys, if you have any suggestions for any videos that you guys want to see, maybe more DIYs, if you want to see some more Halloween videos, we can do that as well. So all right, let's go ahead and get into the video. So here is how the dining room table turned out, and I'll kind of explain where I got everything. So this buffalo check scarf is from the Dollar Tree, and I just put it over the top of my burlap runner just to kind of add some contrast. And then I got this pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, and then there is this came in like a 2-pack, so these actually have a little bit of glitter on. I'm not sure if you can tell. And then I put this webbing in here and just kind of pulled it apart to what I liked. And it did come with these spiders, and that's from the Dollar Tree. And then this centerpiece here is a DIY me and Carly made. I did add in some of these little stems here as well, just to bring out the orange. And then this center bowl is from the Dollar Tree. And then of course I have the pumpkin on the other side. So here is what this little area looks like. I'm trying to get the best lighting here for you guys, but with 2 windows on the side, and never can get good lighting here. But what I ended up doing was just putting this Halloween sign. Got this quite a few years ago. Let's see if I still have the tag. Yes, it is from Walmart, and it was $2.97, so that was a really good deal. And then I just put this pumpkin here, and that's from the Dollar Tree last year, but I think they still have them there. And then on my little stand here, I just kept the pumpkin and the leaves I had, and then you just saw me add these, I don't know, little sparkle branches in. And then this is the DIY me and Carly made with the mason jar. And then I just removed my fall wreath and put up this wreath that we made in our Halloween DIY, and I love the way that looks right there. It's super cute. Okay, you guys, so all I did is this little bit in the front. Like I said, I don't have much Halloween stuff, and to me it's only one day where fall, you know, you can kind of decorate the whole year, you know, for the whole season. But what I did end up doing was just putting all my Halloween candy in this bin. I'm hoping I get trick-or-treaters. I'm not 100% sure, so otherwise I will be eating the whole thing. And then this bucket here, I believe I got from Dollar Tree, but it was a few years ago. And then coming up this way, this is a light up, kind of hard to tell on the light here, but it does light up, go sign. And this I actually got a long time ago from my aunt, and I believe it's from, I don't know if you guys are familiar with like the LTD catalogs. I think this was from there, so it's good to pass down. So here is how the fireplace looks. I just kind of added a few different things and I'll explain them here. So coming forward, these sparkly pumpkins are from Walmart. They were 98 cents. And then I got this, I don't know, it's kind of sparkly, garland from Dollar Tree. And as well as these little fairy lights here are from Dollar Tree. And then I just have this boo sign, and this I actually got from my husband's mom, so I have no idea where she got it from. I'm assuming she's had it for quite some time. And then this pumpkin here is from Dollar Tree. And then coming up here, I really like how that webbing turned out. I plan on doing that on my front porch, but that'll be in a different video. And that is from the Dollar Tree as well, and it's the same with the spider web. So it just goes to show you guys how much you can decorate your home on a budget. So I love the way that turned out. So this is the last piece that I have of Halloween decoration. I'm just going to take away this pumpkin here that I had sitting next to my steps, and just going to add this Halloween. Like that. Alright you guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you guys are subscribed, and we will catch you in the next video. Bye!